Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best paint protection films in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best paint protection films that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the CloudBuyer Edge Guard Protection Film. With a roll of CloudBuyer Edge Guard Protection Film, you'll have exactly what you need to protect the flat areas of your car's exterior. Edges, doors, bumpers, and sills are all suitable for this film, as long as they are curve-free and perfectly flat. It will prevent scratches, scuffs, and paint chipping with a great level of wear resistance, a high temperature resistance, and anti-aging formulation to prevent yellowing over time. It's even water-resistant and able to be removed without a trace, giving you great versatility now and into the future. Take your time applying this protective film to your vehicle. It's hard to master without leaving fingerprints behind, and the directions aren't very clear, which can make mistakes more likely. Moving on at number 4, we have the Track Armour Temporary Track Day Paint Protection. The Track Armour Temporary Track Day Paint Protection features a clear adhesive film that is designed for road trips, autocross, or a day at the track. It's a temporary solution that protects your vehicle at high speeds from rock chips, tire chunk marks, and other debris. It comes with a felt-tipped squeegee and takes just a few minutes to apply. The polyplastic film looks a lot better than the blue tape you often see at the track. Since it's 4 mm thick, it's strong and durable yet pliable enough to maneuver around your vehicle's edges. It's also simple to remove and won't leave behind any residue. It doesn't blister in the heat and holds up well in cold weather. Plus, you can safely install it on clear bras and wraps. However, it can start to peel back after driving at high speeds for a long period of time. It may be too thin to protect against large rocks, and it can be tough to conform to certain contours on your vehicle. At number 3, we have the Install Proz Self-Healing Clear Paint Protection Film Kit. When it comes to the areas of your car that are banged, bumped, touched, and stepped on most often, the Install Proz Self-Healing Clear Paint Protection Film Kit can handle it all. While this paint protection film won't cover large areas of your vehicle, it will protect some of the most high-traffic areas from chipping, scratching, and scuffing. This thinner film is 8 mm thick and highly durable, able to withstand frequent damage-causing events thanks to its self-healing nature. It's even clear-coated to prevent yellowing over time. Application is permanent, so you'll want to be careful and take your time. Additionally, you will need to apply heat, using a hairdryer or heat gun, to seal and successfully bond this film to your vehicle. Be cautious about overstretching or applying to highly curved surfaces, as you may lose adhesion. At number 2, we have the Xpel Clear Universal Paint Protection Film Kit. The Xpel Clear Universal Paint Protection Film Kit includes a 60-inch by 2 3/4-inch roll of polyurethane film intended to protect the inside of a vehicle's door jambs. It also comes with a plastic scraper to help smooth out the film. The Xpel kit is our best value for good reason. This clear film kit does a good job of protecting the surface from scratches, chips, and scuffs. The door jamb area can be prone to taking abuse from boots and shoes, and the Xpel kit works as intended. We also like that it makes the door sill easy to clean, and you can hardly tell it's there once installed. There are only a few problems that I see with the Xpel kit. The kit is intended to protect your door sills, but there might not be enough to protect all of them. Also, odd-shaped door sills might make it difficult to install without heating up the film first, but this is typical of a universal kit. And finally at number 1, we have the VViViD 3M Scotchgard. We like 3M Scotchgard as it is a very long-lasting clear paint protection film. The 3M company is also a global leader in films, adhesive products, and laminates. The company's paint protection film is a clear polyurethane film that is 8 mils, 0.0008, thick with adhesive backing. This very thin, transparent film can be applied to the front of your vehicle, acting as a clear bra to shield your car from debris. Users say it's long-lasting, extremely sticky and relatively easy to apply, although working with vinyl film can be tricky if you've never done it before. We'd suggest buying more of this film than you think you'll need. That way you will have some leftover if you make a mistake, and you will also have addition film if you ever want to reapply it to your vehicle. While this product is very thin and thus hard to see once applied, some users say it is too thin. We'd suggest it to those who wish to protect their vehicle's paint but want the protective film to go unnoticed.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.